Yo, good morning, guys. I just received this video. This my family in the Philippines, my brother, my sisters, and my father, and yeah, my niece and my nephew. They are celebrating my birthday in the province. They made some delicious Filipino food, the celebration food. And this time they're having karaoke. Laklan. Somewhat. Yeah, that's Laklan. One of the guy in breakfast. So usually we are three. So it's me, Laklan, and Chef Mon. Actually, Jen and Sharlene is coming today. I am actually not sure if they are here around already or still traveling, because I am not checking my mobile phone yet. They come back here because they really wanted to go to the Tumari mountain, and yeah, they really like this place. Yo, yeah, it is already 3:30 and I am again going out. I am going to the hotel of John and Sharlene. Yeah, in Oak Pacific Blue Hotel. They like it there. Yeah. And I am also going to sleep with them in the same hotel. I think they took the unit with the 2 rooms. So yeah, one for me and one for John and Sharlene. So yeah, I just took a shower and clean a little bit in the house. John said that they are a big group. Some of their friends joined them to come here in Nelson Bay. They want to see this beautiful place. It is cloudy today. Yeah, according to the forecast there is a rain, but it's good that there's none. And we are now here. Yeah, the hotel of John and Sharlene is just that Oak Pacific Blue Hotel, and this is the KFC. And that a little bit farther is the Salamander Bay Shopping Square. Now I don't know how I am going to carry this. Okay, we are now here. I didn't able to show you because yeah, I was with my bike and I am carrying this. Ito nga po. Sirang pa yun, wala pa? Hindi na ako nag-birthday eh. Yeah, we are now here with John. The others, they are roaming around having Instagram pictures. Last time I didn't able to show you the room, but this is how it is. There's the toilet. This is the bedroom. This is the living room. There is kitchen. John is already preparing things for cooking. And outside here in the terrace is this. So the guys downstairs, they can just open the door and swim. And no one is swimming these days because winter, very cold. But I think that is controlled the temperature.
Tatlong driving na lang ako, tapos na ako. Sabi.
Ano pa? Ibig mo sabihin, pasado ka na, no? Parang sa akin pasado na yun. Holiday rental to you.
Alin?
Yan, nakasulat, holiday rental.
Binili nila yan, ano?
Siguro. Yeah, like what I've said to you before, that every unit here is surrounded by water. And aside from that, there are also some on that side. Yeah, this is Oak Pacific Blue Hotel. Yeah, and some unit, they are going straight to the water. You just get out and swim. The moment we are here in the grocery, Sharlene, they are going to cook something Filipino food, especially pancit. From down there, we can already smell the pancit.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to Robbie! Happy birthday to your Happy birthday!
Thank you. I'm here in the entrance of the hotel. I'm going to pick up Inigo. Inigo is here. Oh, yun. Nandiyan ka na sana nung sinabi ni Jan.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is a little bit raining, but on that side it looks like it's okay on that side. Yeah, and John is preparing the breakfast, and this is the breakfast. This one is really good. John and Sharlene, they gave it to me. Too much, they gave me too much. And we are going home now. I'm trying to make it fast as possible, because John and Sharlene, they are going to my apartment to bring the food, the leftovers. Yeah. Yo, yeah, it is now 12. Actually, that's 11:30. Yeah, 5 minutes late that clock. John and Sharlene, they just came and they left already. They just brought this food and some other stuff, and they are now going to the Tumari Mountain to see the beautiful view in there. We are supposed to go there by 8 o'clock, but that time was still cloudy and there's a little rain. Yeah, and then later on they're going back to Canberra. They just check out. Actually, we left at the hotel at the same time. Yeah, my duty today is 12 o'clock until 9 o'clock. And then tomorrow we'll be working 6 o'clock breakfast. It's starting to be very, very windy. Oh, the wind is harsh, very strong, harsh to the skin. Not the best. Oh, look at this. There is one very black dog. You know, this that I am wearing now, this is not enough. I'm still feeling the wind so much. Okay, we're now near to my workplace. I will see you tomorrow. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're going home now. Yeah, today I start at 6 and I just finished now. Already at 2 o'clock, maybe 2:15 at the moment. Yeah, Yesterday I worked until 10 o'clock. So I get home already around 10:30. So I have less, yeah, actually it's the same. But I was more tired. It is very cold today. Yeah, actually I need to stop. I need to put this hoodie. We are going home right away because there is a little rain. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, cold. I don't know the temperature. It's less than yeah, it's less than 10 degrees centigrade or Celsius. Yeah, it's already 8 something 28. I finished this cup of coffee and now I'm preparing a rice meal. Yeah, I cook this rice and I'm going to eat this. This is the one from the birthday party. Actually, I already ate the spaghetti and the pancit last night. So basically, when John and Sharlene check out from the hotel, they brought that food here, and yeah, I go to work. And when Divina arrives at work, she gave me this gift. Yeah, this blanket. And I saw that it also comes with the card. To Kuya Robbie, happy birthday and happy new year. Jokes, hahaha, have the best day ever. Thank you po sa palaging pagiging mabait at matulungin. God bless and always take care. Divina. Yeah, thank you Divina. And yeah, this is the blanket.